leisurely some YouTube. I had Kara on, and I always check my phone, my emails and everything, and I just received a notification for a market research survey, and I am part of their research panel about all things YouTube. And the moment I receive these kind of emails, I want to stop what I'm doing and just log on to my laptop and just apply. And they don't always accept you, but most of the times that I have filled in um, my details for this kind of invitations, I have been accepted. So I'm gonna do this now. It's for a 60-minute research survey that happens online via Google Meet, and I kind of like this stuff so much. So just wish me luck, guys. Would you like to participate in a YouTube user research one-to-one interview? Yes, please. What's next? These are my details, my phone number, email, all correct. That was it. Okay, that took me 5 seconds. So basically it was just to accept the invitation and confirm the details that they have for me. And of course, when you do this kind of one-to-one discussions, interviews, rather, you're getting paid, and I like that. But I'm just so passionate about YouTube, and when I was first invited to take part in this research group, I was so honored just for the opportunity to talk with YouTube people about YouTube things that I'm slowly learning every single day. And of course, I'm so passionate because I work on this platform. I create content. I want to improve, and I want to progress as much as possible. So it is an honor to be invited to be part of their research panel, and it's also an honor to every time I receive an invitation for something like that. I get so pumped and excited. Earlier on, I filled in a survey. That was a 15-minute survey, so it was not a one-to-one interview, but I just had a list of questions that I answered based on my experiences, based on my thoughts, based on what I like to see more on YouTube, thoughts, feedback, and so on. This is interesting, but I do love the interviews, the one-to-one, where of course you're getting asked questions and you interact and you just give whatever comes first on your mind and your head, and I just find it so fascinating as well. So that was a little clip about what has just happened. I think I'll go back to watching a little bit of YouTube, and I'll catch up with you tomorrow.